Samsung's Galaxy Ultra smartphones have kept a design throughout the last several years, and it seems like they will do so for at least another year. Recently leaked images of Galaxy S24 Ultra covers and concept renderings show the device's design. The S24 Ultra concept graphics were made in partnership with Technizo Concept and Rotor Super. According to these images, the smartphone resembles the S23 Ultra and has a titanium metal frame. The titanium frame features a brushed metal finish, giving it a stylish appearance. In comparison to earlier versions, the buttons and top portion of the S Pen have rounder curves. The gadget has a flat screen with curved edges where the glass meets the metal frame. It's also worth noticing that the color of the S Pen matches that of the S24 Ultra. The loudspeaker, rather of having a grill-like design, now has a coin slot-like aperture for increased audio output. You'll find 4 cameras on its back, including one with periscope technology for telephoto capabilities. In the meanwhile, leaked images of the Ultra model's casings have emerged. These images, published by Ice Universe on Weibo, show a cover for a phone that is expected to have a quad-lens camera. There are 6 cutouts where the cameras are believed to be situated. However, based on past versions, one of these cutouts is likely to house the LED flash, while another will act as a laser autofocus. The camera layout is similar to that of the S23 Ultra, and even the power and volume controls are on the edge. Samsung has kept with the same design for the basic models for the last year. It's a little sad that there haven't been any adjustments, particularly given that there was previously a camera block. For the S24 Ultra, we may just see spec changes, and not necessarily positive ones. So the whole selection may not be that intriguing, but we should find out rather soon, since rumors indicate these phones will be available in January. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.